In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust kerning in Figma. Kerning is a vital part of typography, allowing designers to tweak the spacing between characters to ensure readability and aesthetic harmony in their design projects. We'll walk through the process step by step, so let's get started. First, you want to head over to Figma. If you're new to Figma, it's a robust collaborative interface design tool that allows multiple users to work on designs in real time. You can access it through your preferred web browser by visiting Figma's official website. Once you're there, locate and click the Login button. Enter your credentials to access your Figma workspace. If you don't have an account, signing up is straightforward. Just follow the prompts to get started. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. This is your central hub where you can access all your current and past design files. Next, navigate to the Design section. This is where all the magic happens. You'll be able to open your design files and start making adjustments. If you haven't yet created a design, you can start a new one by simply clicking on the plus icon that allows you to create a new file from scratch. Once you have your design file open, look for the text tool. This tool helps you insert new text into your design or select existing text to modify. After clicking on it, highlight the text you want to adjust. Highlighting is as simple as clicking and dragging over the text to select it. Now, with your text selected, the next step involves managing your typography settings. You'll see a typography menu on the right hand side of the interface. This menu offers a range of text customization options. Within the typography settings, focus on letter spacing, which is another term for kerning. This option allows you to adjust the space between individual letters. By either entering a specific value or using the up and down arrows, you can fine-tune the spacing until you're satisfied with how your text looks. Adjusting letter spacing might seem like a small detail, but it can vastly improve your design's overall appearance and readability. Consistent and visually appealing text can make all the difference, particularly in digital design, where readability and visual hierarchy are crucial. So there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to adjust kerning in Figma. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep experimenting until you get it right. If you have questions or run into issues, Figma's community forums or support documentation can be excellent resources. Happy designing!